Good evening, everyone, respected teachers, and my all dear friends. So today I will present the story of the smart businessman. So there is one village, there is one businessman. He puts little shops in the market, and he is very frustrated with one thing, like which kind of small business or shop he put. Other people copy their business. Like one day he bring pumpkin to the market, then in front of the front shopkeeper also bring pumpkin after some time and sell at the lower price from him. Then like next day he came to market and he bring apples to the market. So after some time the other shopkeeper also came with the apples and sell. So this is got very frustrated with this, and he go to home and share with his wife. So that like this I bring all the things and other people copy my ideas. So his wife little bit give push them and motivates, like, you do some hard work and try it for more time, God will help you. Again he go to market next day, and the same thing happens. So one day his wife gave an idea to him, like we there is like shopkeeper name is Harish, and the other person who copies his name is Ramu. And his wife told to him, like, we make 4 walls on their roof, char diwari, and then we put the sheeps and goats on them, and we feed them, and after they grown up we will sell to them. So then the Harish don't went to the market for 2 to 3 days. Then Ramu is waiting, and he got curious and worried about that, why he is not coming, what I will do next to compete him. So then Ramu told to his wife, like, go to his home and meet her wife with the excuse of, like, we have not met from many days. Then she go to his house, Harish house, and tell to his wife, like, I want to meet you, I want to talk you. So she talked with him. So she told that, why your husband is not coming to the market like this. So she told Harish wife cleverly told to him that he said the lie to him, like, we are on our roof, we have maken a like pool, and we have put fishes on them, and then fishes grown up, we will sell them to the market. So she said, like, okay. Then she went to his home, Ramu's wife, and Ramu's wife told this all to his husband, and his husband told, okay, we will do this same. Then next day they also do the same. They make 4 walls on their roof and put water on them and put fishes. So like after some time, when the Ramu's sheep and goats were grown up, he went to market and sell them at the good price and get many money. And when he is coming back to the home, he saw one person running and coming to him, like shouting, that he said, what happened? So he told, the Ramu's house is totally broken, and the walls were full of the water, and his house was destroyed. So because he filled the all water on his roof by his own choice. So Harish come to Ramu's house and see all the things, and he told everything to him. Like, this was our plan, this was planned by my wife, and all time you copies my idea, and I got frustrated with this thing, and that's why we have made a plan, and you have followed this, and you khud se hi you destroyed your all thing. So that's why do everything for your own, not by looking, just copying for others. Thank you.